is time for another Petit Vour unboxing. So this box I got really late. I actually wasn't thinking I was going to get it at all because it said it was lost in shipping. I contacted Petit Vour because they charged me for my next month's box and I never even got this one yet. And they were saying they were going to refund me. And then 2 days later, it arrived. So we're going to do this now. So to talk about last month's products, if you guys don't know how we do it here, I talk about last month's products, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then we unbox the new box together, and then we talk pricing. So first, there was the Mad Hippie eye cream. It was fine. You know how I feel about eye cream. I don't really think it's necessary. At least it doesn't do much for me. I don't notice anything really. I mean, it was fine. Would I buy it again? Probably if I was in the mood, if I was in the market for a eye cream, because like I said, I didn't have any problems with it. It was fine. Then we have the Antonym eyeliner. Now this is a pencil eyeliner. I usually don't use pencil eyeliners anymore. I used to when I was younger, when I really wanted that thick like raccoon eye situation, but now I usually just use liquid eyeliner exclusively. So it was fine. It smudged a lot, which could be good or bad depending on how you want your look. Sorry, don't mind the kittens or the kids. But it was fine. I wouldn't buy it again because like I said, I don't use that kind of stuff anymore. Then we had the mascara. It was like Eye of Horus or something like that. It was good. It wasn't, I didn't really like the bristle that much, but it did do the job of thickening and lengthening my eyelashes. That being said, it did smudge quite a bit, even more than the TikTok Beauty one, and that TikTok Beauty one is my new favorite. I got kittens everywhere. Is my new favorite mascara. So this one's good. I'll use it, but I would probably not buy it again because it's not my favorite. Then last but not least, the Belle Pierre finishing powder. It was great. I used it all month. I'm actually wearing it right now. It does a really good job. It's light. It doesn't make me look too white, which is, you know, something I'm concerned with, unless you like that look. I don't. I like more of a natural skin color for my face. I don't like to be too whited out. I'm already really white. So, but it works really well. It was light. It didn't make my skin feel like too cakey or anything like that. So I definitely would buy that again, which is good. I'm glad Belle Pierre is knocking this one out. So, because I've tried so many of their products now after not trying any, that it's nice to have one that I'm like, okay, I like this one. All right, time to unbox. Right, and let's get into it. Happy Mail Day. And this is that stuff there. All right, so you've got another mascara. This one is Idun Minerals Mascara Vatin Volume 38 degrees Celsius Long Wear Full Volume Care. I don't know what that means, but I kind of would like the way that bristle looks. Obviously, we are going to open it up and take a look. Water resistant. Rinse off with warm water. Okay. Interesting. Oh, there we go. I'm like, where's my ingredients? There is the ingredients. Oh, it's made in Germany. And it says right there, I'm vegan, which I like. All right. Now we have the Avio Beauty Pore Perfecting Primer. Okay, so this is a matte finish. I don't know how I feel about that. I like a dewy finish, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway. Very nice. So many ingredients, holy moly. Okay. We will give it a try. So we tried this brand before for like the eye patches. All right, let's check out this because I'm curious. cherry lip exfoliator. Now I do have a lip mask, but I haven't had a lip exfoliator in a while. Made in Canada. Blend of fine sugar crystals, coconut, and jojoba oil. Buff away flaky skin and reveal soft, full, and smooth lips. Naturally scented cherry flavor. We'll see about that. I'm very particular about cherry, but 3 ships. Last but not least, we've got Blossom Essentials Hydration Oil, marula and golden jojoba. Apply the oil to the face and body as needed for intense hydration morning and night to maximize absorption. Apply oil to damp skin. There's the ingredients. And vegan, cruelty-free, no artificial fragrances, paraben-free. All right, let's open up some of these. All right, so there is the mascara. Very interesting color choice, very beige. Whoa, look at this wand. I took it out and I was literally like, what? Look at this wand. Very interesting. I don't know how to feel about it, to be honest. We're gonna give it a try either way. I got a little companion here to spend time with me. Oh no, I've got 2 companions, oh no. All right, we got the 3 Ships Cherry Lip Exfoliator. It's like a nice frosted glass. I like that. All right, so there's what it looks like, very sugar. I just smelled it. Oh my gosh, cats. And it smells okay. Like, it does smell like a natural cherry flavor, if that makes you feel better, because that's what I was worried about. I kind of want to touch it, but I kind of don't, so I'm not going to, but I will report back on how it works. All right, and then we have the Blossom Essentials Hydration Oil. This looks like glass, but it is indeed plastic, which is sad, but it is what it is. They might have a reason. I don't know. Maybe it's like recycled plastic. I don't know. But yeah, there it is. It is a dropper too, in case you're curious. All right, let's talk pricing. So first, the mascara. So I found this was about $19.35 at most places. Right now it is on sale at Walmart for $9.77. So if you were interested in that, I'm going to count the actual retail value for this time, just because it's not going to be on sale forever probably. The lip exfoliator was $13 is where I saw it, mostly $13. It's like $13, $14. The oil was $34. This is a big ticket item, so this must be good. Must be good. And then the primer was about $20, which equates out our total value for this box to be $86.35. So that is quite a hefty value for this box, even though they went up in price. I did tell you guys that. I think it's $28 a month now as opposed to what it was before, which was like $20 or $25. Sorry about the cats. But thank you guys so much for joining me today and unboxing this box with me, and I will see you next month with the next box, hopefully it's in the month. Bye.